Did you know that bay leaves have been used in cooking and traditional medicine for centuries? These fragrant little leaves are not only a great way to add flavor to your food, but they also come with a host of amazing benefits that you probably didn't realize. And in this video, we're going to be exploring the top 6 most amazing benefits of bay leaves so you can start reaping the rewards of this amazing herb. And just wait until you hear what number 2 is. It's going to blow your mind. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing health and wellness videos. Also, stick around until the end of this video because I'll be sharing a special gift with you. So let's dive right in. Now, when it comes to cooking, there's nothing quite like the rich, toasty flavor that bay leaves bring to the table. But did you know that these little leaves are packed with even more benefits than meets the eye? Keep watching to discover the incredible advantages of adding bay leaves to your diet. From improving digestion to boosting your immune system, bay leaves are truly a superfood in disguise. So why exactly are bay leaves so good for you? Well, it all has to do with the active compounds they contain. Bay leaves are a natural source of camphor, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. They also contain a variety of antioxidants and nutrients that can help keep your body healthy and functioning at its best. One of the most significant benefits of bay leaves is their ability to improve digestion. The camphor and flavonoids found in bay leaves can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down and absorb nutrients from the foods you eat. This can be especially helpful for those who suffer from indigestion or other digestive issues. Additionally, bay leaves have been traditionally used as a tea to treat stomach aches and bloating, making it a popular remedy for gastrointestinal discomfort. But the benefits of bay leaves don't stop there. These versatile leaves can also help boost your immune system. The antioxidants in bay leaves can help protect your body against damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to disease and aging. By incorporating bay leaves into your diet, you can help strengthen your immune system and reduce your risk of getting sick. One study published in the Journal of Immunotoxicology even found that bay leaf extract could help enhance the activity of certain immune cells, making them more effective at fighting off infection and disease. Aromatherapy is another area where bay leaves shine. The fragrant leaves can be used to create a relaxing and soothing atmosphere, helping to relieve stress and promote relaxation. The scent of bay leaves has been shown to have a calming effect on the nervous system, making it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce anxiety or improve sleep quality. Simply diffusing bay leaf oil or adding bay leaves to a pot of simmering water can create a calming environment that promotes relaxation and stress relief. So how can you incorporate these amazing leaves into your daily routine? Well, the possibilities are endless. For starters, you can add fresh or dried bay leaves to soups, stews, and other dishes for a rich, toasty flavor. You can also use bay leaves to make a fragrant tea by steeping the leaves in hot water for a few minutes and then straining the mixture. And if you're looking for an alternative to traditional potpourri, try placing dried bay leaves in a bowl with other fragrant ingredients like cinnamon sticks and cloves. Now let's move on to the most amazing benefit of bay leaves. Are you ready for it? In a recent study conducted by the University of Wisconsin, researchers found that the active compound camphor, which gives bay leaves their distinct flavor and aroma, may also help fight cancer cells. The study, published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, suggests that camphor may be able to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, potentially leading to new cancer treatments. While more research is needed to fully understand the anti-cancer properties of camphor, this finding is a promising development in the fight against cancer. Imagine a world where a simple kitchen herb could play a role in preventing and treating this devastating disease. That's the kind of impact bay leaves could have. And that's not all. Bay leaves have also been shown to have a positive impact on heart health. The antioxidants in bay leaves can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can contribute to heart disease. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition, Food Science, and Technology found that bay leaf extract could help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. But how exactly do bay leaves benefit your skin? Well, one of the ways is through their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a number of skin problems, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. The camphor and flavonoids found in bay leaves can help reduce inflammation, soothe irritated skin, and promote a healthy complexion. Additionally, bay leaves are a natural source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin cells and promoting skin turnover. If you're looking to incorporate bay leaves into your skincare routine, consider making a bay leaf face mask or using bay leaf oil as a natural remedy for acne or other skin concerns. Another fascinating benefit of bay leaves is their potential to aid in weight loss. The camphor compound found in bay leaves has been shown to boost the body's metabolic rate, leading to increased fat burn and weight loss. Additionally, bay leaves can help reduce appetite by promoting a feeling of fullness and satisfaction after meals. If you're trying to lose weight, consider adding bay leaves to your diet and see if it makes a difference for you. Just a word of caution, though. Bay leaves should not be used as a substitute for a healthy diet and exercise. So there you have it, folks. From improving digestion to boosting your immune system and even helping with weight loss, bay leaves are truly a kitchen hero with a whole host of amazing benefits. These fragrant little leaves are not only a delicious addition to your favorite recipes, but they can also help keep your body healthy and functioning at its best. So be sure to add bay leaves to your grocery list and experiment with using them in your cooking and wellness routines. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your own experiences with bay leaves. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking for more tips on using herbs and spices for health and wellness, check out our video on 6 amazing benefits of rosemary. With its refreshing scent and powerful antioxidants, rosemary can help improve circulation, boost brain function, and soothe sore muscles. I don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.